maintindihan saan nanggagaling yung total failure ako as a Department of Education Secretary. Kasi iba yung actions ni BBM noong ako ay nag-tender ng resignation. Kung maalala ninyo, that was June 19, 2024. It was a Wednesday. Matagal ko na pinag-isipan yung pagre-resign. Inisip ko na kapag mag-resign ako, habang nasa administration ako, inaatake ako.
A few moments later.
She may not like how I answer. She may not like the content of my answer. But I am answering. She may not like. She may not like. She may not like.